Hey beauties, this is your girl Daisy. I want to give you guys an update on this Allove hair. Alright guys, I have my Allove loose deep wave wig and I already installed it. I just used some Gots to be glued. So I'm just going to put a few baby hairs and, style it and let you guys know how this wig has been holding up. So this is the hair that I had for about, I would say about 2-3 weeks, almost a month, yeah. And this has been like my everyday wig. I really like it. The curl pattern is bomb, as you can see. I didn't put any products in here because I wanted you guys to see how the wig looks naturally. This is like my natural wig, like for real. It looks so good. What I did was just let it air dry overnight on the mannequin like I showed you guys earlier. And then I just installed it, did my makeup, and I'm ready to go. So what I really like about this hair is obviously the curl pattern. The hair is really soft and you can straighten this wig, you can curl this wig, you can do whatever to it. Looks really good. Tell me what you guys think. As far as shedding, it does shed a little bit, so I want to let you guys know that. And tangling, it doesn't tangle, but shedding, yeah, it does that, unfortunately. But it looks good. Nothing bad to say other than that. And if you have any questions on this update, just leave it in the description box below. And thank you guys for always showing your support, watching my videos. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me, or any suggestions, or just tell me hey. Just leave it in the comment section below. So thanks for watching.